Want to factory reset your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to erase all content and settings so your Apple Watch goes back to its original state. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need help with their Apple Watch. Now, start by going to your Apple Watch and tapping on the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled General. Tap on General, then scroll all the way down until you find the Reset option. Go into Reset and you'll see Erase All Content and Settings. Tap on that option, and your Apple Watch will prompt you to enter your passcode. This is the 4-digit code you set earlier. Enter the passcode to confirm, and your Apple Watch will begin the factory reset process. This will erase everything from your Apple Watch, all data, apps, and settings, and restore it to the state it was in when you first took it out of the box. That's it. Your Apple Watch is now successfully factory reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.